Hi kids, welcome to another fun learning adventure with the Peculiar Tutors. Today, we're going to explore the amazing world of fractions. Are you ready? Let's dive in. So, what are fractions? Fractions are parts of a whole. Imagine you have a yummy pizza. If you share it with a friend, you both get a piece. Each piece is a fraction of the whole pizza. This whole pizza is one whole. Now, let's talk about halves. If we cut this pizza into two equal parts, each part is called a half. One half plus another half makes a whole. Can you say half? Great! Now, let's see some more examples of halves. An apple cut in half. An orange sliced into two equal pieces. Look, when we cut this apple into two equal parts, each part is a half. And when we slice this orange into two equal pieces, each piece is also a half. Next, let's learn about quarters. If we cut our pizza into four equal parts, each part is called a quarter. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. 4/4 make a whole pizza. Can you say quarter? Awesome! Now, let's see some more examples of quarters. An orange divided into four equal sections. A sandwich cut into four equal pieces. When we divide this orange into four equal sections, each section is a quarter. And when we cut this sandwich into four equal pieces, each piece is also a quarter. Now, let's have some fun with fractions. Let's play a game. I'll show you some objects, and you have to tell me if they are cut into halves or quarters. Here's the first one. Is this cookie cut into halves or quarters? That's right. It's cut into halves. Good job. Next, how about this cake? Is it cut into halves or quarters? Yes, it's cut into quarters. Well done. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Fractions are parts of a whole. When we divide something into two equal parts, each part is a half. When we divide something into four equal parts, each part is a quarter. You did a fantastic job learning about fractions today. Don't forget to practice with your snacks and toys at home. And remember, learning is always more fun with friends. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the Peculiar Tutors for more fun learning videos.